Hey guys, today we are gonna be making the all classic and my all time favorite dessert, tiramisu, but a cookies version. Get all your ingredients ready and prepped, and let's get started. I found these wheat based cookies that were shaped like ladies' finger cookies in the supermarket the other day, and I thought, why not make some tiramisu with them? You can use literally any cookies you'll want to make this dessert, and it will turn out just great. Let's start by whipping the heavy cream first. What I do is I keep the bowl that I'm using to whip the cream in the freezer for about 20 minutes before I add the cream in it. This helps the heavy cream to whip up faster and tends to make it more stable. Once you see the cream coming together, start adding the sugar and continue whipping. Once the heavy cream is whipped and stabilized, add the mascarpone cheese and continue whipping until fully combined. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Your cream base is done, so let's start layering up the tiramisu. You ideally use cold espresso when you're dipping the Savoiardi cookies. But since the wheat cookies I used are a little dense, I used warm espresso to dip the cookies to allow them to soak up better. You can use just about any cookies to make this dessert into your own version of tiramisu. I've tried this dessert with various cookies before, and it has always turned out great. Once the first layer of cookies are placed, brush them with some more warm espresso to give them a more richer and stronger coffee flavor. The next step is to add the cream base over the cookies. Using a spatula or a palette knife, smooth out the cream to make it into a neat and even layer. Repeat this process by layering the cookies and the cream again. Once the final layer of cream has been spread, you can directly start dusting some cocoa powder over it, or pipe some fun designs with the cream and then dust it with cocoa powder. Once you've dusted the cocoa powder, refrigerate the tiramisu for at least 2 hours before serving it. This will allow the dessert to completely set and soak in all the flavors while chilling in the fridge. Here you go guys, this is my super easy tiramisu that you can make for your family and friends. This is such a versatile dessert and you can go all out with your cookies base. If you'll enjoy this video, don't forget to ting that notification bell and smash that like button. I will see you in my next video. Bye!